Hello, my name is Sam and I'm a partner here at Katys Boutique, and I've decided that perhaps it might be a good idea for me to do a few reviews for you, and also one or two of my fellow members of staff and some lingerie ladies that have done some product testing for me, just so that you can feel how the bras really are, how the panties and the chemises and the gorgeous nightgowns really are, from a real person's point of view, rather than just reading the words on the website and trying to make a decision all on your own. Obviously, ladies, it's not so hard for you to make the decision, but chaps, if you're buying for your lady, it's not always the easiest thing to do. So, if we do one or two reviews for you with a video so that you can see the product and I can tell you how it feels and what it looks like close up, then maybe that might help. So the first one I'm going to try for you this day is the Mon Amour range by Gracya, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. It's black and red and extremely versatile because it has two different styles of bra, two different styles of thong, a lovely suspender belt that goes with it, or if you prefer, it's got the most beautiful corset, boned, moulded cup, makes any woman look $1 million. So I'm going to show you all of these items in this range, and hopefully one of them or two of them or all of them will take your fancy, and you've got just about enough time to get your orders in before Valentine's Day on the 14th of Feb. So without further ado, I'm going to start with the bras, and the first one that I have for you is the push-up bra, which is this one. Okay, and I'll give you a little close-up. All right, then you can see, oh, there, how beautiful that is. Now, it has a molded cup, which means that it has a shape to it all the time. So if you have a smaller bust, it helps to give you shape when you're wearing it underneath clothing, obviously. And if you have a larger bust, it means that you have an opportunity to enhance what you've already got. There is also some padding on the inside. I don't know if you can see that there, but the padding is removable, so that you can make it a little less uplifting, is probably a good word, if you would prefer it not to be quite so uplifting. The bra is made of a beautiful cotton on the inside. This part here on the inside is really very soft indeed, and that's nice against the skin. On the outer side here, we've got a little bit of satin across the top here, and then this is a lace overlay, which is slightly ruffled along here to give it just a little bit extra on the design. It has a beautiful black lace ribbon here in the centre with one or two little red diamantes down the middle that you might just be able to see there. Can you see those just sparkling in the light? And of course, it doesn't have just a plain band at the bottom. The lace overlay overlaps at the bottom, so that when you look at it against the skin, it doesn't look so harsh as some bras can look when it just comes to a full stop at the bottom. So a lovely, very pretty bra, great for push-up. It's actually what's called a balconette. So once the ladies are wearing this bra, it will give the effect of the boobs being quite voluptuous, which, let's face it, girls, is what we all want, isn't it? No matter what size of bust you are. So this one is the push-up bra. And then we also do in this range a soft cut bra. Here we are, it's this one. Okay, now again, I'll push it a little closer to the camera for you so you can see. And let's just get my fingers in there. You can see that the material is actually quite see-through, which makes it quite sensual, very sexy to look at. But there is still some padding. If I show you on the inside, it's at the bottom, and that padding actually helps to give you lift. Okay, so you can still see the flesh of the body, the flesh of the bust through the bra, but you get the uplift that you need at the bottom here from that little bit of padding, and that also goes around the side here so that it helps with providing a bit of cleavage. Again, it's the black and red, and it has the bow in the center with the little diamantes, and again at the bottom you can see there that the lace overlaps the base of the bra, which again gives it that softer look. This is a very, very popular style indeed. It sells very well. The soft cut bra here, that's $49.99, and the push-up bra that I showed you to start with is $44.99, and it's so beautifully made. It looks at least twice the price of that, so you're getting excellent quality for a very, very reasonable price. Now with those two bras, you have a choice of two different thongs. You have this one. You can see that. Hello. There we go. It's very pretty, but not too girly, because not everybody likes to be a princess. So there is some red lace paneling to the front, as you've seen. Here, red lace paneling to the front. But the rest of it is relatively simple, relatively plain. And this is the back. You can see there is a little ribbon here at the top, and then it is a thong here at the back. Alternatively, we have this thong in the Mon Amour range, which is a little more girly, as you can see. It has the lace across the top as well as on the front. And actually, the front of the thong is made of a mesh material that you can see the skin through a little more. Can see that? So it's a little more delicate and a little more detailed than the other thong. At the back, we still have the black ribbon as we had on the other one, but there is a little diamante there as well. Very, very pretty indeed, and these are again extremely popular. So these two thongs in the Mon Amour range are $22.99, and I have to say they're an utter bargain. So, so pretty, and they sell really well in the shop. So chaps, if you're thinking, not sure if my ladies like red and black or if they like lace like that, I can tell you virtually every woman that comes in here walks away with one of these, so you can't go far wrong at all. Finally, within this range, we have the corset, which is here. And I'm going to lift it up slowly so that you can see the bottom as well. How beautiful is that? So it has suspenders attached to it so that you can wear it with stockings or hold-ups. And these days, of course, the hold-ups are worn with suspenders as well, so that they're, versatile. You can wear them either or, very flexible. And stockings are becoming fewer and far between, I have to say. So most of our stockings and hold-ups on the website are actually rubberized at the top so that they will stay up on their own and still thin enough for you to wear them with a suspender belt. So this is a molded cup, as you can see from the side, and it's also boned through the body here. It's boned, and what that does is it cinches in the waist, gives you that hourglass figure that you want, and it also helps to keep it up because the straps are removable. So if you wish to take the straps off and wear it without them, then the bones will help to keep it in place. And also the fact that it's a molded cup helps to continue giving you that lift and that shape even if you take the straps off. So again, really very comfortable on the inside with a beautiful soft cotton lining, again with padding that can be removed, and the same signature black ribbon here in the front with the diamantes as well. And again, the lace overlay, and it slightly comes across the top here so that you don't have that stark line across the bust. It's softened by having that lace just floating over the top there. Very, very pretty indeed. This is an excellent seller in the shop. We've had it in the window on a mannequin and I've had to take it off because it sells faster than I have stock deliveries. So chaps, if you're interested in this one, I would get in there quick if I were you. This one retails at £99.99, but it is an investment most definitely, and something that can be worn time and time again, not just necessarily on Valentine's Day. So hopefully you'll find that helpful, and I will try to do a few more of these for you and pop them on the blog page on the website so that you have an opportunity to see a bit more of our lingerie firsthand.